She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So for today's recipe, guys, we have a challenge. We are going to be doing a challenge by none other than Lips, and we are doing his, what is it about, spicy sizzling nacho challenge? Spicy sizzling nacho challenge. So the challenge is you have to have 10 or more ingredients for your nachos, and gotta have 2 spicy elements, I believe, 2 proteins at least, and then all the rest is what you want to do. So we're gonna go ahead and make some spicy birria nachos. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and build these spicy sizzling birria nachos. So as you can see, I have my birria meat where I added some beef and some chicken, and that is definitely a good hack you should use with that Hormel pot roast meat and the birria seasonings. That definitely adds to the effect that gives you a more birria flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and add some tomatoes. And I've also got some avocado I'm gonna add on there. So with my ingredients, like I said, I've got the meat, 2 meats, got this avocado, tomato, onion, a little cilantro on there. Ooh, it's looking pretty, guys. go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and add this extra consomme that I have right here. Put that on there too. And we've got some sour cream. Oh yeah, look at that. This is a nice hack thanks to Big Belly Bob, you guys.
Hey.
So that way we can get those pretty lines, like it looks all fancy and pretty. And we've got some lime. Put a left here somewhere. And more added spice here too. Look at that. So we've got the beef, birria chicken. We've got onions, we've got tomatoes, we've got avocados, we've got cilantro, we've got lime juice. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and try these spicy birria beef and chicken nachos. And you already know birria is made out of peppers, so of course that's already spicy too. So let's go ahead. Ooh. Jesus, I mean the chip broke. See, we get a couple more toppings on here. No. I'm really glad. I don't know if you guys have seen it too, but like on TikTok, they've been doing the birria pizza with the Trader Joe's birria meat. And this is kind of like it. So if you happen to have like this pot roast and you can find that birria sauce, go ahead and just do that. It's a nice little quick little step instead of having to let that birria meat cook all day. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's really good. The birria meat is great with the toppings. I really like the avocado because that kind of like cools it off a little bit. Yeah, jalapeno. Real good, guys. Definitely recommend you give this a try. This is a fun challenge to try to think of something a little bit out of the box versus your regular nachos. That was spicy.
Yeah, because your birria nachos look delicious, babe. I'm over in the background like I want to eat your nachos.
I told you I have an audience back here, guys. That's just like watching me eat.
Oh yeah, I'm watching, baby. I'm watching. I hear that crunch.
Nice and crunchy.
The look on your face like you enjoying it.
Oh good, guys. Almost need like a fork. Like that, I was like, oh, I'll just put enough little chips, you know, on here for me. Man, that was more than enough.
I'm gonna do you like you do me. When you eat that one, the next one I'm gonna need to taste your nachos.
No, I'm gonna taste it,
I
baby.
need a sample, baby.
I want to taste it.
I already see the nacho I want too. It's just that one sitting right in the front even.
Oh, usually that's what happens. You see that one nacho or french fry or something be calling your name. Keep on calling me. Keep on calling me. Get me in trouble. Or something like that.
Yeah, that's a little boosie, baby. Yeah. That's that little boosie. They keep calling me. That's how I felt with you, baby. It kept calling.
I just went ahead and put my plate in the oven. If you guys don't have one of these little skillet things, you should get one. I go in the oven, get hot, make everything stay hot. I'm just gonna eat the meat and stuff.
What was that? It's good. Anyway, I'm coming in. This is really blocking their view. This chip right here.
Make sure you can. It's not stuck. It might be built on everything. You know what I mean? I'm trying to help you.
I don't need you to be so aggressive.
I'm trying to help you.
I'm just gonna take this whole front end.
Yeah, let's take all that.
Break it. Break it now.
Oh, wait.
Look out. Hide your face so they can see the focus. Ooh.
Hide your kids, hide your wife.
I'm photobombing too. Y'all need to see me take this bite.
Go, huh? Get you a little piece of avocado in there too. Oh, you have some.
I'm so jealous.
Pretty flavorful, huh?
And napkins are right by in that table, sure. In the bag. Napkins in that great bag.
Oh, I have some napkins.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just drinking some water with some basil and some lemon. Yum.
You got straight jalapeno in the front here.
Oh, I see. Oh. Thank you for bringing that jalapeno back home. For my mom.
Yeah, but it's funny because she was walking around looking for something. I guess she needed to go find something to make some noise with.
She said you eating so it sound good. You know how when you eating something and it sound good, so you might eat it.
I like a delicious bite. Stuff it, baby. I gotta rate your stuff one more time. Let me just. Yeah, I want that one. All right, there.
Your phone doing something?
I don't know. Y'all don't mind me rating these nachos, right? That's cool.
Oh shoot! I was trying to get it to say. Oh man!
Let's let it go. I got it. I got it. I got big mouth. It's gonna all in there.
That's what she said. All those spicy. Oh, guys. Those jalapenos did not come to play today, okay? Alright, you guys, I'm going to take a few more bites. I know it doesn't look like I even did anything to these nachos, but I did. That meat is real good. That would be, this meat is good too. Also, if you just wanted to use it, like on the back of it, say you could use it for tacos, which I didn't know. Of course, just roast beef sandwiches. And it was so easy because it actually just went on the stovetop. You guys saw how I made it. If you want the traditional birria taco recipe, I do have that on my channel as well. I always wonder too, like, what his lips doing when he's like this. Let's see if I can do it. But you know, he'll be like. If you guys aren't familiar with lips, please go check out his channel and his merch. Wonderful channel, guys. Wonderful family. Big Bill, Bob, and I definitely appreciate their love and support. But as far as this goes, this was awesome. A lot of people jumped on this challenge, which was great. Great to see everyone getting back together and just kind of supporting one another, because what's a community if you don't support one another? You got to help one another. Don't tear each other down. So this was a great challenge to help bring everything back to the norm. Hope you enjoyed these delicious birria nachos as much as I did. Also, with anything, you know, you can delete, add whatever you want, but I just try to keep it simple with the birria flavors, with the onions and the cilantro, and then the consomme that was on there as well. And that just gave it the actual authentic, you know, birria taste. And then the guacamole, not the guacamole, but the avocado and the tomatoes definitely added that bright of juicy flavor that just accentuated this meal over to the top. So I want to thank Lips. Thank you for challenging me to this challenge. It was excellent. It was sizzling. It was spicy for sure. Definitely. But hopefully I gave you guys a new idea of something you can give a try, to just put a little twist on some things. And if you do give it a try, put in the comments. Let me know that you did enjoy it, or if something was missing that you thought that it could have had that would have made it better. Let me know. I appreciate you guys in the comments. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much. But it's time to end this video. Please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. I keep staring at the food and I just want to like pick little pieces off. Share this video out. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you are not subscribed and you're new to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new recipe. And it might even be a challenge. Who knows? You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.